Hello traders, hope you're doing well. First of all, Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim brothers and sisters. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about three important things. First, on Wednesday, US inflation data came out. The data was not as per expectation, because of which in US market, we could see a decent momentum towards the downside. Now, since our market is closed today, what kind of impact it will have tomorrow? That we are going to discuss. And also I thought of discussing about my short-term view about the market. In which sector can we see a decent movement? All those things I thought of discussing in this video. Now the next thing that we will be discussing is our Wednesday trading setup. What kind of opportunity we had, how did the market behave on Wednesday? All of these things we are going to discuss, and finally wrap up the video by discussing about what kind of trading setup we have for Nifty and Bank Nifty on Friday. Now traders, on Wednesday, after our market was closed, in US market there was a decent momentum towards the downside. Now the main reason for this is inflation did not come under control. The inflation percentage from 3.2% it has increased to 3.5%. This is a negative news for the US market. Since inflation rate increased, this created some bearishness in the US market. Traders, as long as the inflation doesn't come under control, definitely we cannot expect a rate cut in a very short duration. People are expecting in the month of June we will have rate cut. But this is a negative news for the market, because of which maybe they will postpone the rate cut to November, because during that time we have US election. To create some kind of positiveness in the market, they might start cutting the interest rate in the month of November. Until then, definitely we can see around 2.5% correction in the market. Maybe after this rate cut starts, it can shoot up. As long as there is no rate cut in the US market, definitely in our market also, we cannot expect rate cut. Now traders, one more important thing that I have observed is big countries like Russia, China, all are accumulating gold. US sanctioned Russia, right? So they are accumulating more gold, which acts as a protection for their country. When big countries are doing things like this, definitely I feel this even works out for me. That is why from quite some days I've been telling you that I've been concentrating on gold. If you just check gold base chart, definitely you would see what kind of momentum towards the upside we have seen even during this kind of market. I think in my free Telegram channel also I have shared around 18% return is what I have made. Now my expectation is, as long as there is no inflation in the US market, now gold can hold on to its range for a while. I feel this is the time for me to accumulate gold and invest in stocks which are dealing with gold. For example, Muthoot Finance, Manappuram Finance, these are the companies which I'm focusing on. Now when market is in sideways, or when I'm getting a reasonable value for these stocks, or if gold price reduces, then definitely I'm holding some cash. I'm trying to accumulate gold and these stocks. Now once we start seeing rate cut in the market, dollar price will reduce, 10-year bond yield percentage will reduce. This will definitely increase the gold value. Now why am I considering Manappuram or Muthoot Finance? Now let's say gold price as of now is 5,500 rupees. If gold price goes to 6,000, 7,000 for the same 1 gram of gold, these gold loan companies can give out more cash for the same amount of gold, because of which they will get more interest, right? This will increase their profit. So with all these calculation, I'm focusing on gold bees and these gold related stocks. So this has been my focus or plan for the next 3 to 6 months. Now traders, quickly we will discuss about what happened in the market on Wednesday. Then we'll start analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty chart for tomorrow. Now traders, definitely Wednesday's trading was difficult for a lot of retail traders. If you remember, in analysis video we had discussed from swing high to swing low, if you draw the Fibonacci level, this area comes up to 618 level. So if market opens somewhere here or here, moves towards the upside, later I expected a momentum towards the downside. But what happened? Both Nifty and Bank Nifty opened with a gap up. So during this time, we would have to change our plan, because since market has already opened with a gap up, during this time, it wouldn't have trapped any buyers. So what is the possibility of market moving towards the downside from here? That is what I started analyzing. Now the first update I shared in our private Telegram group was somewhere around 9:30, where I discussed about important support and resistance level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty, this was support 1 from where I expected market to reverse, and for Nifty, it was already at this resistance. Now somewhere around 10:15, I said my view about the market is bullish. Now the reason behind this I have shared in this particular video. While speaking about Nifty, I clearly explain all the logic behind why I feel Nifty has a potential of moving towards the upside once it breaks the first resistance and then reach the all-time high level. In Bank Nifty also, my expectation was Bank Nifty can move up to 49,000. Now, after analyzing the market for more than 1 hour, I came up with this view. What was the logic? Everything I have explained in this particular video. Now, this particular video, I have shared it to our free Telegram channel also. If you wish to watch this video, you can scan this QR code, go and check out this video. Definitely it will be useful. Now, later point of time, what happened in the market? Nifty did not move towards the downside. After trapping put option buyers, it moved up to the all-time high level, right? This is what I explained in the video. Now, if you open Bank Nifty chart also, you would notice from the support level which we discussed, Bank Nifty continuously moved towards the upside and reached 49,000 level. My expectation was it will go to 49,100 also, but before that itself, it closed somewhere here. Now, the good thing that we did yesterday was at the upper level, we did not plan for a put. We waited for some time, tried to analyze the market and changed our view to bullish. So this is what happened in the market yesterday. Let's see how we can plan our trade for tomorrow. Now traders, if you look at global market data, US is showing some bearishness. European market also is slightly bearish. Gift Nifty is indicating a gap down of close to 150 points. Definitely this Gift Nifty level, we cannot consider this as a clear indicator of where our market will open because this can change during the pre-market. But for the sake of analysis, we will consider this levels. Now looking at all of this negative data, US inflation has increased. Crude price is somewhere around $90. That is also a negative news. Gift Nifty also is indicating a gap down. Considering all of this, many retail traders' mindset will be to plan for a put option trade, right? See, there is no problem in entering a put option trade, but at what level should we enter? That is what we are going to discuss in today's video. This is a chart of Nifty 15 minutes time frame. On this chart, to save time, I've already marked some important levels. I've marked this trend line because you can see in the past continuously this trend line has been respected. The turning point in the market can come somewhere around 22,520 level. If market opens somewhere here or here, even if it moves towards the downside here, after attracting more put option buyers, market can face a reversal. Now traders, remember tomorrow is Friday. People will not think about carry forwarding their position during the weekend. So in case there is shorts during the first half of the day, we can expect a recovery. That time random people who entered put option at this breakdown or this breakdown, to trap them, market can recover. So please be careful during the second half. In case market opens somewhere here or here, if it gives a breakdown, many people will think about entering a put option. But I feel first the market can move towards the upside, remove weak players. Later, if it breaks, then with small stop loss, we can plan for a put option trade where our target will be 22,520 level. When market comes to this area, only if it holds on to this range, breakdown is possible. Or else, if it directly breaks this level, I feel a reversal is expected during the second half of the day. Now let's say our market surprised everyone by opening flat or gap up. Even if it breaks this level, I'm not sure how far the market will go, right? So at the upper level, if it comes out of the zone, then here I can plan for a put option trade where this level will be my target. If market holds on to this range, then this level will be the second target. Or else, if it directly breaks this level from here, I'm expecting a reversal. So to summarize, if market opens flat or gap up, not interested in call. At the upper level, I'll be looking for a bearish setup. In case market comes to this zone, 22,640 area, if it directly breaks, there is a chance of reversal. So please be careful about that. Only if market consolidates and gives a breakdown, then it has a potential of moving up to 22,520 level. This is 0.5 level of Fibonacci. After filling this gap, market can slowly start moving towards the upside where you can expect a short covering rally during the weekend. This is my view about Nifty at this point of time. Further details will be shared in the free Telegram channel. Yeah, from 2 days we are not uploaded any pre-market report because team was completely occupied with something else. But tomorrow you can expect pre-market report in our free Telegram channel. Now the link for the Telegram channel, I'll ask my team to put it in the description box. You can check it out. So this is about Nifty. Please be very careful if market directly goes up to 0.5 level of Fibonacci, which is 22,520, because this is an reversal area. Now coming to Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, you can see continuously this trend line is acting as resistance and this trend line is acting as support. Now don't worry about these levels. In the pre-market, my team shared the screenshot. In that, levels will be marked very clearly. Now let's say Bank Nifty opened with a gap down somewhere here or here, giving a breakdown. 48,559 level. Immediately at this level, planning for put option is not a good idea. First, the market has to recover. If the bears are holding the market, then definitely they will push the market again. That time we can plan for a put option trade where our first target will be 48,376 and our second target will be 48,166 level. Now in case Bank Nifty opens somewhere here or here, even if it gives a breakout, I'm not interested in a call because I don't know how far the market will go. Before it moves towards the upside, it has to make a pullback, right? Somewhere near 236 level or 382 level. After this correction, then if I'm getting any breakout setup, that is when I'll be looking for a call, or else at the upper level, I'm looking for a put option trade. In case market opens with a gap down here and breaks the support, please wait for some time. Again, if it breaks this level, then with small stop loss, we can plan for a put option trade where these levels can be our target. Now, based on news, many people will be coming with a mindset of entering a put option trade if our market opens with a gap down. Please wait for some time. Maybe 50% of this gap market can clear. Later, it can show some bearishness. Patience is the key for tomorrow's market. If market opens with a gap down, what I feel is I'll wait for 10 to 15 minutes to understand the market. Then we will identify important resistance and support. Just like how I shared in the private Telegram group, I will share the details there. So at those levels, based on how market is reacting, we will plan our trade for the day. Okay. I would suggest you to mark these important levels on the chart. If market directly breaks this level, there is a chance of reversal. So please don't enter put option trade immediately at this breakdown. Later point of time, if it comes out of the zone, that is when planning for a put option trade would be better, or else a W pattern reversal is expected because many people mindset is entering a put tomorrow based on global news. So quickly whoever enters, market will first remove them. After removing the weak players, we can see some bearishness. So traders, this is my view about the market. If you found this useful, share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.